Hello, my name is Frank Albertson with Grass America. We are here today to demonstrate the Grass Zargen 2-minute drawer system. It is a totally automated drawer system, 100-pound weight rated, built-in positive stop to ensure the integrity of the drawer face. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's build a drawer. First, we're going to drill our backs. After we drill the backs, we will then drill our drawer face. Okay, we've just drilled our fronts and backs. Now we're going to assemble the drawer box. Okay, for the next step, we're going to groove the bottom of the drawer. Okay, the next step is inserting the bottom into the drawer box. We hope you enjoyed the demonstration of the Grass drawer systems. Thank you very much.